Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking thumbnail for your crypto YouTube channel. So, if you're starting a crypto channel where you upload videos about crypto, including information, knowledge, tutorials, or anything related to crypto, then this video is for you. If you're just starting out and don't know how to create thumbnails for your videos, please watch it until the end. Go to the Canva website and create your account. After that, this is the interface you'll see, and then go to the search bar and type Crypto Thumbnail. The best thing about Canva is that you can customize pre-made templates by professionals. As you can see, these are templates that I can modify myself, and within a few minutes, I can create my own by editing these templates. Some are paid, but don't worry, there are plenty of free versions. Like this, and this one. Some are paid, but this one is free. This one is free, and this one is free too. Just select the one that fits your expectations or the one you like and customize it. If you don't like any of them, keep scrolling and exploring until you find one that feels right for you. Once you do, just go ahead and customize that one. Maybe I'll go with this one. This is a paid one, but you can choose a free option, there are more available, and whichever one you like, just customize that template. Now you can modify whatever you want. If you want to work with text, I'll show you what you can do with your font. To change font, go to the fonts and just select a font you like. Here is the option for resizing your font. And this is the option to change color. This one is for bold. This one is for italic, underline, and strike through. And this one is for uppercase and lowercase. This one is for sentence alignment or paragraphs. And this one is for making a list. This one is for line spacing and letter spacing. This one is for transparency. And this one is for effects, if you want to add any effect. If you want to curve your text, then this is for that. If you want to add more advanced effects, then if you want to animate your icons, elements, or text, but usually in thumbnails we don't use. Go to the Position tool if you just want to click Top. Then it will be at the top left. You can place it wherever you like. But for now, I'll just do it like this. This is good. So now you've learned about editing text. If you want to add a background and you have your own, follow the same process. Upload it from your computer and your background will appear here. Just drag and drop, like this. Right now, it already has a background. That's why it's not showing. Just drag and drop like this, so it is at the front. Now I'll go to the layer, or send it to the back. So right now, it's like this, or just drag and drop. You can also add a background from Canva's library. Go to the Elements tab and search for Crypto Background or Crypto. Then go to the Photos section. You'll find lots of good-looking backgrounds. Just drag and drop one like this, and you can reposition your text as needed. You can resize it, or if you want to add your own logo, just go to Uploads and upload it from your computer. Your logo will appear here. Just click on it. And maybe I'll go with this one and just resize it. Maybe I'll also add, if you want to replace images with your own, just replace an image in the template. Right now, you'll see it has no background, so you should upload a similar image without a background. This image doesn't have a background, so I'll just replace it. But if I try to replace it with an image that has a background, it will show up like this. So make sure you've already removed the background before replacing it with one of these already transparent images. Your image should be transparent too, to match this style. If you haven't removed the background yet, you'll see how it looks. These are the already background removed images, so that's why it fits here perfectly. You can just replace it by dragging and dropping. This way, you can play around and add elements graphs, whatever you want, like this. And you can add any elements, icons, text, or images you want. After you're done with your design, please review it once. Then, if you're finished and ready to export, you can rename it here and go to the Share option. Select Download and download it as a PNG, since this is your YouTube thumbnail. If you want another format, it's available. Just download it and upload it to your YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, that's the simple process. And within 5, 10, or 20 minutes, you'll create an amazing crypto thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy designing in Canva.